friends, so we are here to continue with our learning of ecology. And today we're going to be working on classifying biotic and abiotic factors within a ecosystem. Okay, again, how we say these words is biotic and abiotic. And we're going to be learning about what those mean and learning about how to classify them. Of course, remember that you should be pausing and rewinding as you need so that we can have appropriate understanding. You'll be doing your activity after the video, so you can go ahead and just watch the video and take notes as you see fit. And it might be helpful to have something to write on and write with. All right, so biotic and abiotic, what are we talking about? Well, it's actually a lot simpler than it may seem, okay? Biotic are the living things in an environment, okay? So if something is living, it is biotic, okay? That, the root of bio means life. That's why we have biology. That's the study of life, okay? Abiotic, remember when I put an A in front of something, it's a prefix that means not. So abiotic factors are the non-living things, okay? So biotic is living, abiotic is not living. So anything that is living, whether that be plants, animals, insects, bacteria, anything and everything that is living is biotic. And then things that are not living, such as water, soil, rocks, air, and light, that's the abiotic factors of that system. So if I was to look at some ecosystems, well, let's try to find some. Okay, so I'm going to circle my biotic factors in blue, okay? So anything that's biotic, I'm going to circle in blue. Well, these birds are biotic. They are living things. These plants right here are biotic. They are living things. I see some grass down there. That is biotic. That is a living thing. Now, what are my things that are abiotic? Well, the air is abiotic. Quite possibly any rocks in the soil would be abiotic. The sunlight is abiotic. Air, rocks, and sunlight are not living, so these are my abiotic factors. Let's look at one more. Let's look at a coral reef. Okay, again, we're going to go ahead. Let me switch back to my blue. We're going to put our biotic things circled in blue. Okay, so what is living within this coral reef ecosystem? Coral is living. These fish are living, right? This different coral is living. Like all of these things are living things, right? All of them are biotic because all of these things are living. Now, what would probably be abiotic right here? Well, it does look like we have some rocks right here, so the rocks would be abiotic. And then the water would be abiotic because the water is not living, okay? All right, so for your assignment and practice today, you're going to do a couple things. The first off is there's just a picture of a giraffe on a savanna. You're going to go ahead and list the biotic factors and the abiotic factors. There's then a sort for you. You're going to click and drag to what is showing to be biotic and what is showing to be abiotic. This first one right here is showing the tree. This one is showing the dirt, okay? Just FYI about that. And then for the last little bit, you're going to go ahead and apply what you know. You're going to name an ecosystem so you can utilize your ecosystem notes from earlier. You're going to explain some characteristics of the ecosystem and then name at least 3 abiotic and 3 biotic factors within that system. Of course, let me know if I can support you in any way and go ahead and get started on that practice.